Well, hello everyone. My name is Mark Ozzie Bell, and you are watching Arizona Tourist. And today I'm here at the Scottsdale Pavilions Rock and Roll Car Show. Let's go check out some cars here. Rock and Roll Car Show. So this section is 1987 and older. Cool. Wow, cool. Check this out over here. That's awesome.
Here's the wife now with our stuff.
Alright, we got the Roadrunner here. Oh wow, check this thing out. The radio flyer. That's really cool. Got the little red wagon there on top. Check that out. That is really cool. Awesome. Oh, look at the look what he's got on the front there, the big handle. Awesome. Just like for a wagon. That's really cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah, that's really cool. You even got the handle on the front. That's awesome. All right. Oh wow, cool. Old one there. Oh, here we've got the Chevy Bel Air. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, we got another old Thunderbird over here. Cool. All right. I believe this is Impala. Oh yeah, the Impala. Yeah. Chevy Impala. Very collectible right there. And it is clean. Look how clean that is. Wow, cool. Corvette. Copper Corvette. Mercedes. Nice, really nice. Another Chevy Bel Air. Here we have the Buick. Cool. Oh wow, another Chevy here. Very nice. Another Chevy, I believe Impala. Not sure. Looks like another Impala. Yeah. Oh yeah. Another Chevy Impala. Red one. There's your radio flyer again. Okay, lots of Chevys here today. Oh, yeah, all right. Nice, very nice. Another Chevy here. Okay. Okay, so that was just the first row. As you can see, we've got several rows of cars here. Lots of cars here today. So let's see a few more. Yeah. Here we go, sports cars. Wow, that's really cool. Look at that one. Very nice. 1966 GT40. Wow. Very nice car. Here we've got the Duster. Nice. Feel free to sniff, but don't touch. Another Duster. So there's a blue one and a red one.
So where did it
Reddish orange. Yeah. 1967 Chevy Camaro. Wow. Very nice. Sweet. Another sports car here. Wow, look at all the carburetors. Holy cow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 carburetors. Holy cow. That is really cool. Mustang.
Nice to see you guys. Don't take gifts from strangers.
Cool. 36 Ford Coupe. Very nice. Oh, that has all the pictures. Project car from beginning to end. That's really cool. I like that when they have all the pictures. You can see the whole story behind it. How they brought it back to life, you know. Got the Trans Am here. All right. Some more Chevys over here. Pink Cadillac. Look at the fins on that thing. Wow. All right. Mustang. Okay. Challenger. Another Impala. Oh wow, look at the engine in this thing. Holy cow. Man, that is wild. Wow, look at the motor in that thing. Holy cow. Bet that thing flies. Whew. And we got, not sure what this is here, the black with the green wheels. Okay, so that's row number 2. I might have to do 2 separate videos here. So we got a whole bunch more over here too. All right. Whoa, nice Cobra. All right. Here we got Buick station wagon. Falcon. Red Falcon station wagon. Nice. Skylark. Oh, Corvettes. I gotta get the Corvettes here. Wow, sweet. Nice. Very nice. Nice Corvette right there. Here we go. I'm not sure if this is the 1957 Corvette convertible, somewhere in 57, 58. But that's one of my favorite cars right there. Love it. That is a nice Corvette. Very nice. Love to have one of those. Alright, then we've got the VW here. We got A rat rod. Tiki surf shop, Huntington Beach. Cool. Nice. That's really cool. Alright, got a nice Chevy here. And then Chevy truck. Red Chevy truck, very nice. Ford, nice old Ford there. Chevy. Oh wow, look at this here. Boy, that's sweet. I like that. Look at that, the green with the white exhaust. That looks really cool. That's really cool. Okay, then we got another Mustang. Black and gold, very nice. Another Mustang. And another Mustang. 3 right in a row. Cool. Alright. Another old Chevy here. Kind of a blue turquoise. 1956. Chevy Bel Air, 1956. Really nice. Oh wow, look at this. Got the skeleton in there. On the passenger seat. My wife said the only way I was going to spend money on this truck is over her dead body. That's a good one. And there she is in the passenger seat. That is a very cool truck. Very cool. Okay, alright guys, I'm going to end this one here. And probably going to do at least one more because there's a lot of cars here today. That is probably not even half of them. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.